Creating a Databricks Community Edition account allows you to explore and use the Databricks platform for free. Here's how to create an account. Visit Databricks Community Edition. Go to the Databricks Community Edition website using a web browser. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button to start the registration process. Provide information. Fill out the registration form with required details such as your email address, name, organization, and create a password. Agree to terms. Review and agree to the Databricks Community Edition Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Verify email. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Databricks. Click on the verification link provided to confirm your email address. Access Community Edition. Once your email address is verified, log into your Databricks Community Edition account using the credentials you provided during registration. Start using Databricks. Upon logging in, you can start exploring the features and capabilities of Databricks Community Edition, such as running notebooks, analyzing data, and building data pipelines using Apache Spark.